In today's fast-paced digital world, social media has become an integral part of any successful online marketing strategy. However, with numerous platforms to manage and an ever-increasing demand for quality content, it's easy for businesses to feel overwhelmed and lost in the chaos. This is where a well-organized social media content calendar comes into play. By implementing a winning content calendar, businesses can transform their online strategy from chaotic to confident. The problem: overwhelm and inconsistency. Picture this. You're running a small business or managing the marketing efforts for your company. You know that having a presence on social media is crucial for reaching your target audience and driving engagement. But as you start juggling multiple platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn, along with creating original content consistently, panic sets in. Without proper planning and organization, it's easy to fall into the trap of posting haphazardly or even worse, neglecting your social media accounts altogether. This inconsistency not only affects your brand image but also leads to missed opportunities for connecting with potential customers. The solution: a winning social media content calendar. A well-designed social media content calendar can be your saving grace when it comes to managing multiple platforms effectively while maintaining consistency in your messaging. Here are some compelling reasons why incorporating a winning content calendar should be at the top of your priority list. Organization breeds efficiency. By organizing all your social media posts in one central document or tool, such as Google Sheets or Trello, you gain clarity on what needs to be created and when it needs to go live across different platforms. This eliminates last-minute scrambling and allows you ample time for brainstorming creative ideas. Consistency builds trust. Consistency is key when it comes to building trust with your audience. With a content calendar in place, you can plan and schedule posts in advance, ensuring a steady stream of valuable content for your followers. This consistency not only keeps your audience engaged but also positions your brand as reliable and trustworthy. Strategic planning maximizes impact. A winning content calendar enables you to plan strategically by aligning your social media efforts with key marketing campaigns or events. By mapping out the timing and frequency of your posts, you can ensure that each piece of content supports broader business objectives, such as driving traffic to your website or increasing sales. Enhanced collaboration and teamwork. If you have a team working on social media management, a content calendar becomes an invaluable tool for collaboration. Assigning tasks, tracking progress, and sharing ideas becomes seamless when everyone is on the same page with a clear roadmap laid out in front of them. Data-driven decision-making. By consistently tracking the performance of your social media posts within the context of your content calendar, you gain valuable insights into what works best for your audience. Analyzing engagement metrics like likes, comments, shares, and click-through rates allows you to refine future strategies based on data rather than guesswork. In conclusion, in today's digital landscape where attention spans are short-lived and competition is fierce, having a winning social media content calendar is no longer optional. It's essential for success. By implementing an organized system that promotes consistency while allowing room for creativity and flexibility, businesses can transform their online strategy from chaotic to confident. So don't let overwhelm hold back your online presence any longer. Take charge today by creating a comprehensive social media content calendar that empowers you to deliver quality content consistently across all platforms, ultimately building trust with your audience while achieving tangible results.